Hi guys, welcome to the video. In this video, we can discuss about construction and working principle of zinc air battery and lead acid battery. So zinc air battery and lead acid battery, you discuss about detailed construction and working principle. So I divided it into two sections. Section 1 is zinc air battery and section 2 is lead acid battery. In section 1, we discuss construction, working principle and applications and futures. So introduction to zinc air battery. So what is zinc air battery? Zinc air battery is a primary battery. It is a best example for primary battery. So it is also known as metal hair electrochemical cell. It uses zinc and atmospheric oxygen. It is also known for very high energy density. So construction of zinc air battery. So there are some main parts. So zinc anode means zinc acts as an anode. Air acts as a cathode. Alkaline electrolyte is potassium hydroxide or sodium hydroxide. And separator and hair holes are used. So working of zinc air battery. So in the zinc air battery, oxygen enters through hair holes. So cathode forms OH minus ions. OH minus moves to anode. So zinc oxidase, it produces electrons flow, then it produces electricity. So you can get electricity from zinc air battery. So this is the diagram of zinc air battery. At the below, you can see there are some equations are there. So you can see them. So zinc air battery. So the reactions are, so at anode, zinc reacts with 4 moles of hydroxide ions to form zinc hydroxides. So 2 moles, 2 electrons. At cathode, oxygen reacts with water molecule and 4 electrons. It forms 4 hydroxides. So overall reaction is to produce 2 moles of zinc oxide or zinc oxide. So in this anode and cathode, the equations are balanced. So applications of zinc air battery means uses. So it is used in airs, GPS, devices, backup systems, research in EVs. So let us move to the section 2. So the section 2 is lead acid battery. So you can discuss about construction, working principle, futures, applications. So introduction to lead acid battery. So it is the one of the oldest rechargeable battery. So lead acid battery is a secondary battery. It is best example for secondary batteries. So it is invented by Gaston Plante. It is widely used in automobiles and UPS systems. So construction of lead acid battery. There are some main parts. So positive plate is lead dioxide. Negative plate is sponge lead. Electrolyte is dilute sulfuric acid. Separators and containers are used. So positive and negative plates. So positive plate is lead dioxide. Negative plate is lead. So plates arranged separately or alternately with separators. So electrolyte solution is dilute sulfuric acid. So working principle of lead acid battery. So based on electrochemical reaction involving lead dioxide, and lead and dilute H2SO4, it converts chemical energy to electrical energy. So lead acid battery state of load control diagram. There are two diagrams are present. One is charged lead acid battery, another one is discharged lead acid battery. So discharging reaction. So at anode, so lead reacts with sulfate ions, it produces lead sulfate. At cathode, lead dioxide reacts with sulfate ions and 4 hydrogen ions, it produces lead sulfate. So the overall reaction is to produce lead sulfate. The both anode and cathode produce lead sulfate and the equations are balanced. Charging reaction. So charging reaction means reaction reverse during charging. So lead sulfate converts lead and lead dioxide. So H2SO4 concentration is increases in discharging battery. So concentration of H2SO4 is decreases. So advantages of lead acid battery. It is low cost, high surge currents, reliable, easy to recycle. So finally, conclusion. So zinc air battery is a lightweight, high energy density, uses atmospheric oxygen. So lead acid battery. So it is rechargeable, powerful, widely used. So both batteries play a crucial role in modern energy storage. So you can discuss about the zinc air battery, lead acid battery. You briefly discuss about zinc air, what is zinc air battery and how it works and how the users are there, and lead acid batteries are same. So in this video you can get clear clarification, I think. So zinc air battery means, so it produces electricity. So the both batteries are used to produce electricity by maintaining some proper constructions and working. So there are some are there. Okay. So thank you guys, all of you. Goodbye.